Hello, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kunmi. Today, my heart goes out to people who are at the verge of moving from one location to another and are anxious as to how to go about their overlocking machine. So, about a year ago, when I got mine, I had to pay someone to arrange the machine for me. It came in about 3 cartons, and the guy did it for about 3 hours. So, I paid 5,000 naira. um I live in the capital city of Nigeria, so as at then I paid 5,000 naira. That was 2024. I don't know how much they collect now. So quite recently I moved from one part of the city to another, and I was worried as to whether I would have to pay to dismantle and then pay to arrange it when I get to my new location. So at that point, I had to look around my machine to see what I could do. So that is what I'm about to share with you guys today. To start, you come to this side and remove it like this. Can you see? It's pretty easy. So the next thing you will do is to detach this wire. So this wire is connected to your switch. You have a bulb beside your needle, right? So this is to show how important this wire is. You don't want it to cut, so just come here and detach. For those who do not have overlocking machine yet, I know someday you are going to get yours, so this is also for you. I'm rooting for you. So this is how you're going to do it. Place your thumb like this, and then place your fingers like this and pull. Can you see? Do that gently, please. And the next thing to do is to remove this. So underneath this pipe is a screw. You're just going to lose it. So here is your cue to always oil this screw in case, especially if you are not living in your permanent if you don't have a permanent place yet for your business. So oil it because a day might come when you will need to lose it. So as you can see, it's so easy that I'm even doing it with one hand. So you are going to lose this screw. Oops, it has fallen. Okay, so this is what it looks like. But before I remove it, I just remember that I have to cut the threads first. So I'm going to cut like this. Having done that, you can now remove your thread. Um, Keep them in a place you can easily access. Keep all of your stuffs in a place so you won't start looking for them. Now you can remove this. So there is a small plate there. Ensure it doesn't fall. You can see I'm trying to secure it with my finger. Can you see? So just knot it back. There's no point keeping that knot separately. Knot it back and set this aside. So the machine show as a belt, as you can see. Remove it. As you can see, guys, this is pretty easy. This is the next thing I will remove. So this is connected to the back of the machine. I'm going to show you. Can you see? So you are going to remove it on both ends. You're going to remove it from the pedal underneath, and you're going to remove it from here as well. So I have removed it underneath. I'm just going to drag it up. This is what I have, and I'm going to keep this as well. So I have a bag that I'm keeping all of this. Can you see? We're almost done. So I'm just going to carry this. So this head is the heaviest part of this machine. The table is not even heavy, trust me. So secure this wire. Remember, it mustn't cut. It is connected to your bulb, or should I say the switch to your bulb. So that's how important it is. Do well to secure. Keep this. You will see four black things. Keep it. Can you see? And that's all. Carry the head separately. Carry the table separately. So shortly I'll be showing you how to arrange it back. And like I said, it is the head that is the heaviest. So in arranging back, we are going to start by returning these black stubs. So if you take a critical look, you will see that two are flat headed and then two have an iron popping out from them. So you are going to arrange it the same way. You are going to put the two on the right hand side, the front and the back. And then you are going to put the flat headed on the left side. So there is an hole at the right, there are two holes actually at the right hand side of the weaving machine. So at the risk of pouring my oil, I'm just going to show you the holes. Can you see the first one? Can you see the second one in front as well? Oops, my oil is pouring. Can you see that there is an iron popping out on these two? And the last two are flat headed. So I'm just going to place the head of the machine and ensure it is entering the hole. I'm just going to do it well. It hasn't entered yet. So this is how to go. Can you see? Ensure the part that has iron popping up is at the right hand side, while the two flat headed ones will be at the left. Can you see? So the implication is if you put one flat headed at the right side and one which has iron popping out at the right side, or if you do anything short of having the two flat headed in at the right hand side, you stand the risk of a slanted machine. As you can see now, you will see there is balance. But if you do not put the flat headed at the left hand side and then the one that has iron bulging out at the right, the machine is going to be slanted. It's going to be high at the left and then slopey towards the left hand side, the right hand side. I mean, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that's why you have to place them like that. So I'm just going to drop this down, attach this place like this, and then I'm going to put the belt. At this point I might need two hands. Okay, so I've done it. We are almost done. Can you see this? We've done this. We have put our belt. Just want you to have a close look. So lose your screw and be careful so the plate doesn't fall off, and then screw it back. Place it like this and then screw it underneath. Do you remember this process? I'm going to screw Don't forget to oil this part. In fact, I would recommend that you oil um the major parts of your machines where there are screws in case of occasions like this when you need to lose them. So we're almost done. I'm going to put this at the back of the machine and at the small pedal. We're almost done, guys. So I'm currently working on a project that requires black thread. So I'm just going to continue with my black thread. So I'm going to pass it. I have a tutorial on how to thread this overlocking machine from the scratch. If you've not seen it, please do well to check it and see what others are saying about it. I think it's a pretty cute tutorial. Do well to check it out. So I'm going to tie it like this. There's no point threading it all over again. That's why I just cut it. And trust me, it's not going to even show that we knot it at a point at all. So I'm going to repeat this process for the rest of the threads. I will move to the second thread. Okay, before then, let me just roll in a little bit of thread. I notice excess and I don't want to be confused. So I'm going to move to the second one. I will pass it like this. I'm sorry, I'm just realizing that the upper part is not showing. So I'm going to put it here so that the video I just recommended captured the upper parts that didn't show here. It is so detailed. There I thought about how to step by step thread your overlocking machine and it's so simple. I'm going to repeat the same process like I said. When I'm done with, so I knot thrice and I like to knot my thread about 3 times. Two is fair, but I would strongly disagree with one. Please don't knot your thread once. Two is fair, but three is just the safest because this thread is fragile, so they can just split apart and forfeit the essence of knotting in the first place. So I'm going to knot this as well. It seems to be taking time. Sorry about that. I just don't want to skip any process. I want you to witness everything. So I'm done and I'm going to roll the thread to avoid excess. Can you see? This is the switch. So the green is on and the red is off. So I'm going to press the green and I'm going to try to weave a fabric shortly just for you to see that it will work fine. So I have these pieces and I'm going to weave. Can you see, guys? The machine is working perfectly well. I'm just going to, can you look at this side? The knots are no longer there. So I'm just going to press the pedal a little for more thread to come out. Can you see? So the threads that even came out are not indicating that we at any point knot the thread. Can you see? So it means our nothings have passed. Can you see? With this, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you find this helpful. Kindly leave me comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way in my next tutorial. Bye.